Hi guys, uh, this is DaftTechGuy and I'm going to be showing you how to earn Bitcoin free on PC, Mac, iPhone and smartphone. I have three options for you. At the bottom within the description you'll see three links. Click on them, open them up and I will log in. First one we'll do is CryptoTab. I'll go on there and show you now that here is the affiliate program, where inviting new users will help your network grow. Level 1s all the way to 10. Basically, hit the link in the description, it will take you up to here. Install it onto your computer, phone, iPad, anywhere. So let's say if I can manage to get 5 users and you can get 3 other people in your link, and we calculate that income, that will give us $708, which is roughly £500. If you want to be more extravagant and go for 5 and 5, there you can see you'll earn just under 1 Bitcoin. Now, I've challenged myself to earn 1 Bitcoin in a month. So anybody that likes to help, and if you have 5 friends you can get involved in it, then get them to go ahead. Like I said, the link's in the description. Click on that. As you can see, I've already earned 1,087 on mine. Usually 4 hours a day, and I've only done it 3-4 days at the moment. So my challenge for 1 Bitcoin in a month isn't going quite well, but hey, hopefully people can help me. So like I said, link in description, and make sure you can share and like my YouTube and subscribe channel. So the next one I want to do, before I do that, let me just show you my blockchain wallet. I've logged out, continue to log in. I had an old blockchain account and that had about 50 cents in it, which is around about 30p, which I know isn't a lot, but it's proof that they pay you. So once we log in, as you can see there, they paid it into my account here, $47. That to me is proof that CryptoTab pay out. So head over there, grab it in the description, grab the link, go ahead, start that one off. Now, second part. Second one I want to show you is this one. Autofacet Dodgy Corpse .space. Now, you can earn Bitcoin and 40 other coins on here. So let's log in. Go trucks. This is to check you're not a robot. I don't like things like that. Do it again. Bicycles. They say bicycles. I mean bikes, not motorbikes. We'll log in. So if you sign up again in the description, all the links are in the description. Do them in order. Can't go wrong. Take a little while to sign in, but we'll get there. There we go. As you can see, these are all the coins available. Done a bit of research on it. Bitcoin, as you can see, I'm on level 17 at the moment. I've earned 27,867. So now we've gone here. I'd recommend going to Express Crypto first. Sign up here, log in. This is the third one. This is where you can do it. Try again. Lock in. And once this is set up, what this enables is for you to mine Bitcoin for free with only doing a couple of hours work a day, which is easy for me. That's what I like. When you're here, grab this ID here. We'll grab this ID, copy and paste it. Head over to this one again. Now what we want to do, when you first start, you'll have 100 here. Come down, we'll do Express Crypto, like so. It'll give you an option to paste it in, so you'll paste it in. It'll ask you for your ID for Express Crypto. You'll put that in, then you'll come down here, choose Express Crypto times 1. Do it for 1 minute. Click on the coins you want. I've chosen BCH. As you can see, come down, do these, on, off. That's it. Now what this does, what's this going to do now is stick it on autopilot for you. Now we've linked it to Express Crypto as well, so what we'll do is when Bitcoin was sent, next payout 59 seconds, so if I head over to Express Crypto, here, 1149, refresh, as you can see I've made 1149 already, and I only literally did that today, and I'll show you how it works. Down the bottom here is literally, there you go, I've made one. Literally look here, and that was all day 09 2021, and I did no work for that. 09 09 there 08. So it's starting here from 10:41 this morning. I earned all that all the way up to tonight. I've earned all this. So all in all, I've earned 600 Bitcoin cash, not Bitcoin. So as you can see, it does work, and you only need to put a little bit of time into it, at least an hour. And the way you do that is head back over to final auto facet, click on Bitcoin, do your Dutchy roll, do your coin PT walls, do a pay to click wall. This is where you'll earn tokens. I recommend earning at least 1,000 tokens. I'll have 27 7,000 and I can mine for 232 hours. As you can see, if we go down here, if we click on these, watch it for 30 seconds, we'll get 96 tokens. I recommend doing all these today. Also, all the surf ads, they'll give you more coins every day. Once you get used to using the software, I would then recommend heading over and doing some surveys, and that's how you can get these big amounts of tokens. And you can mine and leave it running for hours, and not even have to work. Do an hour a day, and it'll take you to crypto. Express crypto. I refreshed that. Look at that, 1150. Express crypto. Refresh that. That should change to 1151. Every minute it gives you one. Fine. There we go. And I have 10 seconds to watch this. There we go, dragon. Click on the dragon. Submit. It opens a new window. Let it open a new window. Close it. Close that. It will restart final auth. And there, boom. 96 Dutchy tokens and 50 XP. And as you can see, I'm level 17. So if we go back, you're going to have at least 10 a day, 20 a day. So you can earn plenty of coins within an hour. There we go. Then my XP is going up. I'm nearly hitting level 18. Once you get to this amount of tokens, this is what we can do. To make it go quicker, we can times it by 5, and we can use 4 Dutches tokens for 4 minutes, mine every 4 minutes. And we'll start it off again. This is where it gets exciting. Start this back off again. And there you go. As you can see, 20 Bitcoin Cash every 4 minutes. And it will run for 93 hours. That's a lot of Bitcoin Cash. Head over here. This also levels you up. Put all this off around here. Altogether, $37 isn't a lot, but it'll add up. You can also use Bitcoin. So guys, if this is what you want to do, follow my links. I'll put more videos up to show you. And I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.